let's do a full protocol of both testing and training with the grip. It works the same way with any other device on the Kinvent ecosystem. We are going to do this with Loic. So Loic, first we are going to test your grip strength, and then we are going to put in place a training session based on the result of that grip strength. First of all, we are going to select the grip test. So we're going to our assessment at Loic's account with the grip. The grip is there, I'm clicking on it, it is there. This ID card explains how to do the test. Starting the activity, we are going to connect to the grip that Loic has already in his hands. First of all, we are going to test the right, then the left. You should generally do 3 reps of 5 seconds duration. Leave enough rest between the tests, so for example, a 15-second pause. And then I suggest you keep a threshold of 0.6 kilograms or around 1 pound. It actually helps you detect the starting of the rep, and we are going to start. Loic, whenever you're ready, just click on the button, okay? It will allow us to launch the test, or I could click on start. Great. Keep that hold. Cool. Stay there. We are going to wait for the rest time to go off, and then you are going to squeeze back again. Good job there. Good job. Keep it there. Great. Go. Great. Now let's go to the left side. Yay, this is what I'm gonna see. 54 kilograms. That's a great performance there. Here we have Loic's results, a 21.8% asymmetry between left and right, and we can straight compare this to the last time we did some tests with Loic. So we actually on the left side missed about 20% compared to last time. So we need to work on that. Now once we did that, we can go further below and check average RFD between left and right. We see here that there is a 5.6% deficit, which is very small. That's good. That means that there is no asymmetry between left or right on your RFD. That's good to have. Now, from here, straight, we are going to go to the training mode. So clicking on the training, we are going to do a tempo training mode at 60% of your max force Loic, and we are going to do this at a 2-1-2-1 pace. We can launch, for example, 3 sets of 10 reps. That's a training program of about 15 minutes, during which my athlete or patient will work in full autonomy. And Loic, we are good to go. Whenever you're ready, just click on the button of the sensor. Try to keep yourself within the green line. There is a learning curve while Loic does this test, but this is a great test for isometric strengthening. We are going to stop here this training. We are going to keep the data, and you have a 69% percentage of success, which is pretty okay for the first time you did this. Now, once we did this, we can actually export everything to a report and share with my patient, athlete, or with the doctor, the coach, etc. We're going back. We are going to go on our athlete's results, clicking on export. We are going to add the grip strength. Next. We have here the results. We can ask Kassandra to comment those, and we export everything. We just showed how with a few clicks we can first start a testing session and then go on to the training mode with Kinvent. This is just an example of how you can test, train, retest, export in just few clicks in the Kinvent app. Thank you for watching.